What's up, winners? I'm Marcus Farroja. So let me explain to you how online marketing works using something you understand, dating and relationship. All right, here we go. Come here, pay attention. So here's how it works. Imagine you walk up, you're a guy, you're a girl, you walk up to somebody, and the first thing you're looking for is attraction. You want to know, are they attractive? That's what it is like to market to somebody. Is your message attractive? Is your visuals attractive? Are you attracted to the person you're trying to reach? Now, it don't matter how attractive you are. If you're not somebody's type, they're not interested. It's the same thing with your business, your product, and your service. No matter how attractive your business is, if you're not that person's type, you're not what they're looking for their life, they're not going to be transactional and buy from you. So what should you do once you become attractive to your niche or your ideal audience? You got to find a way to capture them. It's no good to be attracted to somebody and you don't have a way to reach out to them. This is when you move them away from social media, whether you get their email, send them to a sales page, tell them to click a link in a bio, purchase a product. You then have a way to continue the conversation and continue the relationship away from the platform that you met them on. Now, I know I'm going fast, but I mean, who wants to watch a long video? But no worries, I got a ton of case study videos, link in my bio. You ought to click one of them and watch a free case study of how to start, grow, and begin to run a business on autopilot that you can sell any digital course, information, products. If you want to learn this whole online marketing thing, tons of videos in the bio. You ought to click the link. I mean, it's not a sales ploy to get you to click a link to be attracted to my content, to capture your information. Why would I do that in the same video I just explained that to you? That would be brilliant. Let's win together. Win the day.